Welcome to this week's vlog and a very happy Lunar New Year to everybody. I hope you had a wonderful break over the Lunar New Year, some time to reconnect with your family and have some rest as well. While the students were off school, the staff were busy for 2 days. First of all, working on their self-study for the upcoming evaluation and accreditation visit. And then on the eve of Lunar New Year, ISS held its annual ISS Teacher Conference. It was a wonderful day of learning for all of us, and we listened to important topics like our work with the Learning Analytics Collaborative, through which we're building a wonderful and very powerful tool to analyze data about student performance. We also heard about global citizenship theory and practices in our international world. We had a session on learning how to make films, a session on metacognition, and also a wonderful session on extended essay, which is a major requirement of the IB diploma program, along with many other really fascinating and wonderful sessions. We're going to gather all of our material into a professional learning website so that we can share and keep that for years to come. This week, I have also been running a workshop on behalf of the IB, the International Baccalaureate Organization, and this workshop was for heads of school in the region. I was training fellow heads of school in leadership theory and leadership practices. It was wonderful to connect virtually, of course, with my colleagues all around the region, and it was a wonderful opportunity for us to share ideas and to learn from each other. Earlier this week, we were so happy to welcome some of our parents on campus as part of an organized tour of our new primary village. It was amazing. It was so wonderful to see familiar faces. And we're really looking forward to the day when we can welcome our parents back on campus at any time. This week, we have the exciting opening of our new football pitch. We've been waiting for this to happen, and our students, many of whom just adore football and will take any opportunity they have to get out there and play. So this Friday after school, we have a staff versus student football match. I'm so looking forward to it. It's a great way for all of us to have a bit of fun, but do a little bit of exercise and help us all remain positive in those trying pandemic times. So thank you everybody, and I look forward to speaking to you next week as well.